Earning money on Fiverr can be a rewarding venture if approached strategically. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to make the most of your Fiverr experience. 1. Create an impressive profile. Craft a detailed and engaging profile that highlights your skills, expertise, and experience. Use a professional photo and write a compelling bio. 2. Choose the right services. Offer services that align with your skills and passions. Fiverr allows a diverse range of services, from writing and graphic design to programming and digital marketing. 3. Set competitive prices. Begin with competitive prices to attract your first clients. As you build a positive reputation, you can gradually increase your rates. 4. Develop a niche. Specialize in a specific niche to stand out among the vast pool of freelancers. Clients often prefer specialists over generalists. 5. Create gig packages. Structure your services into packages with varying levels of offerings. This allows clients to choose a package that best suits their needs and budget. 6. Showcase your work. Upload a portfolio that showcases your previous work. This provides potential clients with tangible examples of your skills and quality of work. 7. Optimize gig titles and descriptions. Craft compelling gig titles and descriptions with relevant keywords. This improves the visibility of your gigs in Fiverr search results. 8. Utilize Fiverr tags. Choose appropriate tags for your gigs. Tags help Fiverr categorize and recommend your services to potential clients. 9. Offer exceptional customer service. Provide prompt and professional communication. Positive reviews and client satisfaction contribute significantly to your Fiverr success. 10. Deliver high-quality work. Consistently deliver work that exceeds client expectations. This not only leads to positive reviews but also encourages repeat business and referrals.